Hello children, today we are going to start our next chapter in English language, and that is degrees of comparison. You have already studied about degrees of comparison in the previous classes. It is just a recall that we are going to do. So what is degrees of comparison, or what is the use of degrees of comparison? Let us see. Degrees of comparison are used when we compare one person or one thing with another. Means when we want to compare two things with each other, we use degrees of comparison. For example, if you want to compare your height with your younger brother or younger sister's height, what you will use? You will use degrees of comparison. Words that are used for comparison can be adjective or adverb. Adjectives describe noun. You know that adjectives qualify nouns, and adverbs add meanings to verb or describe verbs. So, degrees of comparison words may be adjectives or they can be adverbs. Let us see the example. You will understand better with it. The pencil is long. Here it is telling that there is a pencil and it is long. Next, the marker is longer than the pencil. Now here the comparison is made between two things, that is marker and pencil, and it is telling that the marker is longer than the pencil. Next sentence, the ruler is the longest among the three. Now here three things are compared, and in that ruler is the longest. Among them the ruler is the longest. Adjectives and adverbs have 3 degrees of comparison, and that is positive, comparative and superlative. The positive degree is used to state something about the noun or pronoun. Let us see the example of positive degree. In adjective, Sean is a pretty pony. In adverb, Sheila draws beautifully. The comparative degree is used when two things are compared. It is formed usually by adding er to the adjective or adverb. In adjective, example, not many ponies are prettier than Sean. Adverb, Lena draws more beautifully than Sheila. The superlative degree is used when more than two things are compared. It is formed usually by adding est to the adjective or adverb. So we add er to form comparative degree and est to form superlative degree. Let us see the example of superlative degree. In adjective, Sean is the prettiest pony. In adverb, Anita draws the most beautifully of all the girls. This er and est is not applied to all the words. The rules of transformation you will study in next class, I think so. Now here we can see some examples of adjectives and adverbs. Positive degree, angry. Comparative degree, angrier. Superlative degree, angriest. In adverb you can see angrily, more angrily and most angrily. So you can learn these words, and there are many more you can see in the book also. This chapter ends here. Thank you.